Hello, my name is Natalie Diaz and I am part of the Educational Technology team. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add phonetic pronunciation to your Canvas profile so that others can pronounce your name correctly. What you need to do first is log into your Ivy Learn account and click on your account profile. This can be located in your global navigation menu by clicking either a profile picture that you have already uploaded or the icon that shows up here in the very top of the global navigation menu. After clicking on it, you will simply just click on Profile. And in your profile, you will click on the three dots and click on Edit Profile. From here, you will simply type in under name pronunciation how you phonetically pronounce your name. In my case, Natalie, I pronounce it as Natalie. And I wrote it this way because in my name, you do not pronounce the H. So this way, it will avoid from others pronouncing it as Nathalie. Once you're done typing in your phonetic pronunciation, you will just simply click on Save Profile. And that is it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact the Educational Technology team. You can reach us by typing in that URL and creating a case/ticket, or emailing us at fortwayne-edtech@ivytech.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.